Greetings! At scale, AI performance is determined by how efficiently GPUs exchange data and stay in lockstep. A single straggler can slow the performance of the entire cluster. In this demo, you'll see how Clockwork Fleet IQ accelerates performance by over 30% by eliminating network congestion. This is a 4-node GPU cluster. Each node has 16 100 gigabit NICs. eCMP4 and 5 are in one rack, and 6 and 7 are in a second rack. The cluster is currently idle, so I'm going to go ahead and kick off some workloads. I'll start with a single all-reduce job. Pretty quickly, you can see the performance jumps up to about 1.45 terabits per second. This is very close to the theoretical max performance of 1.6 terabits per second. Now I'll kick off a second all-reduce job. Job 1 operates across eCMP4 and 6, and Job 2 across 5 and 7. Remember, eCMP4 and 5 are in one rack and 6 and 7 in another. So both jobs are crossing the network spine and both contend for bandwidth. That's why many of the ports are red, which indicates high latency. And the aggregate throughput has dropped from 1.45 terabits per second to about 1 terabit per second. Now I'll turn on Clockwork Dynamic Traffic Control and let's see what happens. And look at that! There's more than a 30% performance improvement. This is because Dynamic Traffic Control has paced and routed the traffic across the most optimal paths. In aggregate, we're now getting 1.46 terabits a second, which is again pretty close to the theoretical max. What you just saw was how Clockwork Fleet IQ accelerated the throughput of two all-reduced jobs by over 30% by dynamically optimizing the network traffic. This was done entirely in software and works on RoCE, InfiniBand, and Ethernet networks. Please contact us today to organize a trial. Thanks for watching.